Welcome back to Add Art. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to draw this lucky dragon to celebrate Chinese New Year. Now, before we do, just a quick reminder to subscribe to Add Art and hit the bell. When you do, you'll always be the first to know when I've released a new drawing like this one. But let's make a start on this magical dragon. First we'll begin with the dragon's eyes. So one circle there and one just behind. We'll put the pupils looking out at us. Then we'll make the dragon's nose look a little bit creased. So put these curves in, down towards its nose. So bring it round, we'll stop there, put the nostril in, bring that down and up, and then all the way round to complete it. Now we'll bring the jaw down into a smile and up towards a cheek. Now they have these whiskers that flow from their faces. So put the first in there. We'll have one on the other side too. Just put that between the eye and the cheek. Now we'll continue the mouth down. Have it open so we can see its sharp teeth. Let's put those in. Bring the bottom lip round towards the cheek. We'll copy that on the top. And then a flowing beard. Bring that all the way up its jaw. Let's put a pair of decorative eyebrows in. Now we'll start on its mane. Put this first set of spikes in. Build this in sections. We'll have some more of its mane and these flowing spikes behind. And finally, third part of its crest spiking out. Put its tongue in. Now let's start to bring its body out. We'll bring it down, up and down again, almost like a roller coaster, snake-like. And we'll copy that on the other side, trying to keep the distance between the two lines the same. We'll just stop there, as we need to put its front leg in. And we'll bend the leg backwards. It goes the opposite way to our knees, down towards its toes and claws. We'll put the back one pointing out. continue the body, rising and falling into the distance. Let's put the next leg in again. It curves backwards and down. Bring it out and down towards the foot and toes. Now, Chinese dragons are mythical creatures from Chinese folklore, and traditionally they symbolise incredible powers like being able to control water, rainfall, typhoons and floods. Put the front foot in. We wouldn't see so much of the leg as it's hidden behind its body. And again, put those claws in. Put some little creases on these toes, just to add a bit of detail. Copy that with the others. And the dragon is also considered a symbol of power, strength and good luck for people who are worthy of it. So the Emperor of China used the dragon as a symbol of imperial power and strength. Let's put this final foot in. Copying that one at the back, just a little bit higher so it looks like it's in the distance. And those creases. We'll continue its tail up towards a point. We'll give it a flaming end. Now, dragons can be found in many animal forms, such as turtles and fish, but they're most commonly depicted as snake-like with 4 legs, like this one. Let's give it a belly. So we'll put this line running just inside of that left edge. We'll curve it into sections. And dragons first appeared in Chinese culture in the 5th millennium BC, and now on special occasions and celebrations, including Chinese New Year, you might see a life-size dancing dragon being puppeteered by a team of people dressed in colourful silks. Okay, so there's our dragon. Let's give it some spikes across its back running the length. So they're not quite triangles, they're sort of leaning a little bit, almost like a shark's fin. In European cultures, dragons are often represented as angry, fire-breathing creatures, whereas the Chinese dragon is a spiritual and cultural icon that symbolises prosperity and good luck and harmony. Okay, let's give our dragon some scales. Again, they can follow the body. Now let's put our dragon in a valley. We'll rise that line up to a hill. We'll have a silhouette of a sacred gateway here. And a tree, just curving these branches up, always reaching for the sun. Just put the leaves in. Okay, talking of the sun, let's put that in. We can have a few decorative clouds as well. Let's curl the insides of these round. Have one just a little bit lower. And finally, the last cloud just above the tree. But there we have it, a Chinese dragon bringing good luck to the new year. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with that one today, and I hope you have a very lucky year. Now, before I go, just a reminder to check out all the other Add Art tutorials like these on my channel. You can do this by clicking on my double pencil profile picture. Also, if you like this video, do please give it a thumbs up as it really helps my channel grow. Finally, if you know someone who loves to draw, why not share Add Art with them and draw together? But that's it for today, and I hope to draw along with you again soon on Add Art. Bye for now.